Inside this box is a Labubu that collectors are going crazy for. Now sadly this is not the real one because we can't get hold of one, probably like yourselves. If you've got a real one then comment and let us know. But if you go on the PopMart website they're all sold out. They're 40 odd quid, but now they've gone up 10 times the price. Good luck getting a good value one. So before we unbox, let's check out Zara's current collection. So we got this one here. We think this is the best quality Labubu as they call them. It's the fur that you can tell apart. So the fur on the real ones are really good quality, but the plastic at the end of the day. Nice tags here, and then at the bottom the feet twist round and you've got the imprint of PopMart as well. If you're not a subscriber then please do check out our channel and subscribe. We've got some great content on the way. These are a different collection to the Labubus. These are the sitting down ones rather than standing up. But again, the fur's not too bad. You can sort of tell on these, and the tag is very different. And the ears don't even match up either. The toe does glow in the dark, which is a nice touch, but the tags as well don't look the best. Next up we got Serenity. Apparently that's the name of this one. It's green, and again look at the fur. You can really tell the difference between the first one I showed you, a real one, and this one. But again, very smiley little chap, does glow in the dark at the bottom, and it does not have the same keychain at the top as the first one. Anyway, without further ado, let's get Zara unboxing this. So being a fake, the packaging is not that bad at all, and the quality is pretty good as well. Bearing in mind this is 10 quid. PopMart have seemed to miss the boat here because there's so many fakes out there and they could have prevented this, perhaps by making them more available. But I do get it's a supply and demand.
Huh? Oh no.
So it's one we've already got, so we got two. But they are slightly different because they must be from different manufacturers. This newer one seems to be a lot more brighter with better detail. Look at the darker spots as well on the fur and the eyes and the colour teeth as well. A lot darker, seems better detail. Comes with an ID card, if you can call it that. It's just a bit of cardboard that's badly printed, but it's a nice touch for kids, I suppose. The eyes have a nice bit of plastic that doesn't really pop out, so in the UK they're saying it's a bit of a hazard on choking. But anyway, the head spins round, the feet spin round, it's got a nice keychain as well, and you've got the feet. This one does not have the imprint. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, please do subscribe, it means a lot to us, and we'll see you on the next review.